Hi everyone, welcome back to Sara's AI Playground, and today we're going to build a simple text-to-speech converter using Streamlit and Google Text-to-Speech, also known as gTTS. This will be a fun and interactive way to turn any text into speech. Let's dive right in. So I first want to show you how our final web app will look like. So here you can see the text-to-speech converter in the Streamlit and Hugging Face, and yeah, let's try it out right here. Yeah, you can see.
Hello, I am Sara.
Yes, great. So this is what we will get at the end, and let's start. First, we'll start with the basic version of our text-to-speech converter. Open your favorite code editor and create a new Python file. Okay, let's just open mine, and it will be the Visual Studio Code. So here I will just rename this file as the app.py. Just write here in the downloads folder. I will just create a new one in TTS, create, and here I will save my file as the app.py, and I do recommend you to save it in this particular way. So let's move on. First of all, we have to create another file. It will be a text file, and here we will write a Streamlit. Here we will write the Google Text-to-Speech, and also IPython, if I'm not mistaken. We'll just check it later on. IPython. Okay, and we'll save it. We'll save it as the requirements.txt file, and right here in our TTS folder we've created for the app.py, we're saving this text file too. So let's move on and import the libraries that we need, and it will be import Streamlit as st to make our things easier, right? Go from gTTS, we're gonna import gTTS. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, right. From IO, we're gonna import bytes. IO. Great. Let's move on. So I'm gonna directly input the Streamlit version right here, st.title, and we're gonna give here the title that we want actually name our little app with to speech converter. Actually, you can give any name if you want. You can just simply write TTS or text to speech, or let's make your text. Let's change your text into the audio, so on and so forth. So next thing will be the actual input area. This I'm gonna create a variable with the text input, and here we're gonna create another Streamlit area with the text area, right? And we will just give a quick hint for the user to enter the text right here. Okay, all right, we've created the text input, and next thing we're gonna do is to make a language option. For that, actually, Google provides various number of languages, and you can choose any you want, and I'm gonna do it with 5 different languages. So let's try. I will just create here a select box. Yeah, select box. And I will just give a hint to select the language. And here we will have English, of course, for sure. English. And next we're going to have French. We want to have Russian also. We're going to have Hindi. We're going to have Spanish, let's say, yeah. And we can actually continue this list as much as we want, but I'm just limiting myself with this 5. And after the language selection, we actually create a generate output button, and here how it will look. We will create a condition if the button generate button generate button actually, I'm gonna call it generate my speech. Yeah. Okay. If this button is pressed, like we're gonna give the condition, and if the text input, the variable we've created before, is actually not empty, like TTS equal to gTTS, and here we will put text input and the language. Sorry for the noises behind. Yeah, and here we're going to create audio stream. This is actually what our audio stream, what our function does, the condition does, I mean. And it will be in a bytes IO with the function, yeah. So next line is going to have TTS. We're gonna save the speech to the bytes IO object. So here I will just save the output in this format, and then we'll just display the audio to the user with the Streamlit widget audio. Yeah, audio stream. Good, great, we're done. Now we have to, of course, create the else condition, as we've just started creating with if. Yeah, we have to provide the worst case scenario when the user inputs something wrong or doesn't input any text, right? So we're gonna give here a little warning. I love Streamlit because it's very simple, straightforward, and easy to use, and bring your apps with the AI into the real web app interface version. So I do recommend you to learn more about the Streamlit and the templates and the widgets we have here, and I will also try to be useful with this to use the different things and possibilities it provides actually. So if the user doesn't input any text and presses the button generate my speech, it will give us the error of the please enter some text. This is actually a warning. So great. We are done with the first version, I guess, and let's try it out. So I'm gonna just go to the Safari, and I'm gonna create a new space that I will call text-to-speech. Okay, and I will just give a license Apache, Streamlit, and I'm gonna do it public and create a space. So the space is given, as you can see, and we have to upload the files. So I'm gonna upload 2 files that I've created into the TTS folder I've created here. So good. Just gonna upload it. And let's see if it works or not, actually. So it takes a little bit of time. Meanwhile, we can see here the logs and look at the process of our app being built. Yeah, let's go. Let's try something out.
This is my text-to-speech converter.
Great thing we've done with our simple version. And now, guys, I really want to move on with the Streamlit and make it more beautiful. And let me do this thing right now. Actually, we will just add some features, yeah. And I'm gonna add something here. I will just and add the height, and I will make it to 150. And then I'm gonna just create here the sidebar. The sidebar actually is a great tool that will ease the life of our users, because not everyone has the will to enter the text manually, and some of our texts are actually in the file version, yeah, and we have to create the sidebar for our users' comfortability. So the sidebar here, and I'm going to title it a title, and so I'm going to upload your files here. Yeah. Oh, actually, there should be only one file, so I will not be confused. An uploaded file, I'm going to create a variable here. Uploaded file is going to be equal to st sidebar, so we can get the, yeah, sidebar file uploader. Okay. Here we'll just choose txt file. I'm gonna give a type of the file that we can that users can actually input, so it will be the type txt. So great, we've done with uploaded. So the next thing is I'm just gonna create what we can create. What we can actually do is create the success, yeah, right here, success message, I mean, st success. I'm gonna do speech is generated successfully. Yay. What else we can add? So I think this should be okay so far. And let me just check quickly one more time if everything is right. And I guess here we have to input one condition here, like right after this, because we have to check if the uploaded file is correctly uploaded and is actually there. File text is equal to uploaded file read, and we're gonna decode it to the UTF-8. UTF-8. So let's make here st subheader with the text from uploaded file from upload. Okay, and we should just return text. And here input, sorry, just use this. And view a file text. Okay. Okay, great. I'll just quickly check if everything is alright or not. So far it seems okay to me. Let's try it out. One thing you can do, guys, is to copy it, go to the files, apply, edit it, select all, paste. Yeah, so it's just a quick way. So you don't have to just delete the file before it created, and you can just move on with your existing file, and you just did it. So new version is going to be generated. We can follow the logs. We should wait until it turns green and it starts actually. If you do it before, it will just give you the one version before. So let's be patient. Good. Good. Now we can see this, and I'm just gonna try out the success message first. Yeah, great.
I am done with this, yay. I am done.
Let's do something in Russian.
Все работает отлично.
Great, everything is working fine. So what I'm gonna do is to okay, any random file that I have some txt there. Oh my god. Only txt I have is the requirements txt. Oh my god. Let me just find something suitable for you guys so I can demonstrate how the uploader works. Let's do this, okay? The labels, okay, good, and we're just gonna select the language, right?
Vis Rabotat Odlichna, Sara Tractor Book.
Sara Tractor Book. Okay, just read all of our text here. Actually, it's not a big problem. We can just edit it a little bit. So this, what I wanted to show you guys. That's it for today's tutorial. We've built a simple yet powerful text-to-speech converter using Streamlit and gTTS. We started with the basic version and added more features to enhance the user experience. And I hope you find this tutorial helpful and fun. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. And thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!